What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the second high-paying independent medical courier app that you need to have downloaded to your phone in order to make up to $209 per short delivery with your car. So, if there's something you're interested in, stay around for the video. So, partner up with this medical courier app. You can make short deliveries in your area and make up to $209. You'll be delivering medical supplies, no construction material, no food products, no people. So if you're someone who's driving with Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash, stop driving for those companies. They're actually ripping you off. They're not giving you what you're worth. So I advise you guys to tap in with this company here to make good money. You will be delivering stuff to hospitals, clinic laboratories, health department, blood banks, doctor's office, long-term care facilities, and delivering medical specimens to pharmacies and more. You also get perks and benefits. For example, you can get dental insurance, vision insurance, life insurance. You can also get a new vehicle discount. Anytime you're trying to purchase a new vehicle, you partner up with this company, you can get a discount. For example, they have partnered up with GM Motors to provide delivery professionals with access to deeply discounted vehicle pricing on selected 2001, 2022 models of Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, Cadillac, and more. So if you guys want to view a full list of vehicles and discount or to get processing code required to claim this discount, contact this company. Uh, this program includes a wide variety of cars, SUVs, pickup truck, cargo vans, even box trucks. You can also get cash advance with no interest. You only pay back when you earn money. You get fast funding. You can do cash bonuses and contests. You also can save money with tires, up to 10% of labor, parts, Firestone tires, and more when you partner up with this company here. So if there's something you think you might be interested in, or if there's something you would like to know more about, reach out to this company here. And they have a telephone number at the top that you can call, or you can fill out the application process on this website online. Get all type of questions answered. So this is something I use. This is something that's a great way to benefit yourself, making good money without getting ripped off like Uber, DoorDash, and Lyft. So, for example, you will be delivering medical supplies only, court documents sometimes, and all you need to have is a car, a truck, a SUV, a van, a box truck, or even a cube truck. It is pretty much like all other gig apps that I mentioned on my channel. You'll get an alert to your phone anytime there's a job available. The job will have all the details listed, what you would be delivering, where you need to drop it off to, who you need to speak to, and how much you'll get paid for making the delivery. You can also decline the delivery if you don't want it. It's something you can do full-time, part-time, or something as a side hustle. But if you're someone who you don't have a 9 to 5, you might want to do this full-time to make good money per day or even up to a week. So with this company here, you can be getting paid $209 for making a short delivery. I would say anywhere from 20 miles to about 32 miles away from where you live. And this company is pretty much located worldwide. There's a few other areas that they're not located, but just check in, see if they're located in your state, your town, your city. Make money with this app. This is one of the second high-paying gig apps that I've mentioned. If you haven't watched my previous video, you might want to check it out because I have another app that you need to have downloaded to your phone that makes good money. I have about 3 more apps that I'd like to tell you guys about. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Watch the videos, check out this website, see if it's a good fit for yourself. I'm not going to keep you guys around all day. This was a short video, but I want to let you guys know, tap in with Beeline Courier Service. You'll only be delivering medical supplies, short distance, making good money, up to $209 per delivery. You're getting a discount on purchasing a new vehicle, tires, and maintenance of your vehicle.